Hi guys, I just wanted to jump on here and wish you all a happy new year and just let you know that there's a lot of opportunities out there, and the opportunity that I'm offering you right now has changed my life. It's brought me to my happy place here. It's brought me to my dream area where I've always wanted to live. I've always wanted to have a place where I could get away and just enjoy life. Just enjoy, bring my kids, bring my family, bring our friends. And that's what I found. So about 3 years ago, I started working online and I found this opportunity that all I was really looking for was money, right? I mean, who doesn't want money? So I was looking for some money so that, there's my beautiful fire, so that I could do exactly what I'm doing right now. I wanted to be able to not worry. I wanted to pay off my debts, have this property, and just be able to live life on my terms. So I've done just that, and I'm super grateful for everything that I have, and I want to share it with everybody. So if you're interested in something like this where you can have your place, or maybe this is a little too cold for you, maybe you're looking for something a little warmer, that's okay too, then check out the link, guys, because you've got nothing to lose. I was a little bit skeptical at first. Actually, I was a lot of bit skeptical at first. I thought it was a little bit too good to be true. I didn't think that I maybe deserved to have all the things that I do, because over time and with life, we kind of get beaten down sometimes. We kind of get to where we don't know or think or feel like maybe we deserve all the things that we've dreamed of, right? Well, we do, guys, and you do. And I am so grateful that I believed in myself. It took some time, but I believed in myself and my team believed in me. And this is where I'm at. So I would love to be able to share this with you guys, share the opportunity, and just hopefully get you guys to a point where maybe you believe in yourselves a little bit more. You're making that money that you want. You're paying off your debts. You're finally living the life that you want. This is, I call it the laptop lifestyle, because I literally work from my laptop. My business is working while I'm here, and I couldn't be more grateful for everything that I've got. So I'm freezing right now, guys. I do have the fire going, but I stepped back a little ways from it. I'm gonna go make some hot chocolate and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening. But I just wanted to invite you guys, if you click on my link, it's just as simple as putting in your name and email. That's it, that's all, and no obligation. So from there, you'll receive emails from my automated system, and you'll have some links that you can check out our 90-minute workshop. It is free, and then from there, the step-by-step process will take you through everything. You can respond to the email, and I'll reach out to me if you'd like, guys. But I am happy to connect with you guys. Stay blessed, have fun, and let's make 2022 our year to have our dreams come true. And let me help you. I would be your coach and mentor, and that excites me. That's what I love to do. So anyways, 2022 is our year. It is your year, and you guys deserve it. So let's do this together. Click the link, guys. I'll see you on the other side. Cheers.